this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPad as an extended screen on your MacBook. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. So the first step is we need to ensure that we're signed in to the same Apple account on both of our devices. So if I just open up the settings on my iPad, you can then click on your profile name in the top left hand side, and make sure this Apple account is the same account that you're signed into on your Mac. You'll also need to click on Bluetooth and make sure this is turned on. You can then click on Wi-Fi and make sure the Wi-Fi network is the same network that you're connected to on your Mac computer. Now scroll down and click on General, and then click on AirPlay and Continuity. Make sure handoff is turned on and enabled. And once you've done this, you can head over to your Mac computer. So from your Mac, click on this Apple logo in the top left hand side and click on System Settings. Click on your profile name in the top left hand side and make sure you're signed in to the same Apple account as your iPad. You can also click on Bluetooth from the left hand side and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Click on Wi-Fi and also make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can then click on the Control Center icon in the top right hand side and click on the screen mirroring icon. You'll then see the option to extend your screen to your iPad. Go and select your iPad device. Make sure you have Use as Extended Display selected, and then you can move different applications and files between your Mac and your iPad screen.